Hi guys, it's Rob Wilson here from EzyMarketer. In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create a lead capture system that not only captures leads, it also automatically creates a password protected members area for your clients to download what you've just sold them or what you have given them for free as a lead capture program. Now to do that, we use a combination of our Easy Funnel Builder, our Easy Web Builder, and our Easy Contact Manager. Yes, that sounds like a lot, but it is so quick and easy to do as they are all part of our Easy ecosystem, so all modules are automatically synchronized. So let me create a sample lead capture system so you can see with your own eyes how quick and easy it really is. This is the EzyMarketer platform, but first up, here is the free training ebook that I'm going to be using as my lead magnet. Now I want to give this away for free, but in the meantime, capture the person's name and email address so I can follow up with them with paid product offerings. So let's see how we can do that. So the first thing I want to show you is what the end result will look like, and then I will duplicate it. So here's an example here. So we've got learning how to create sales funnels is the most profitable skill you can learn to grow your business. So there is an image of the ebook, the information here about it, the download link, and then I put the table of contents here. Now you can put anything on here, any marketing material you want to do it. It's just so easy to use EzyMarketer's web builder, which I'm going to show you step by step how we do this. So we come back to EzyMarketer, over here to EzyMarketer on the left hand side, and you'll see all our other Easy products down here as well. But today we're focusing on EzyMarketer. So we go to web builder and we go to websites. Okay, so there's the 7-step sales process. I've already created it, but I'm going to go and do it again so you can see how quick and easy it is. So I'll go over here to create a new page, and I'm going to call this website 7-step demo. Create, and it's setting that up for us. Okay, so first thing we do here is empty the page. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, now everything is driven by the elements. So come over here to the elements, and I'm going to look at a top header. And there's the top header. We just grab it, drag and drop. Okay, so now we come over here and I'm going to grab this text. So what you're always best off doing is writing up all the details that you want to put in your website. Do it in a Word doc or a text doc or something, so then you can simply cut and paste and put it into Web Builder. Or you can just create it on the fly, up to you. So come back over here. Where are my colors there? Most profitable skill. I'm going to do that so I don't lose my colors. So I'll just hit that bit. Come over here. There's my top line. Come back over here. Most profitable skill. And just Control-C, Control-V. Copy and paste. There's a space there. Come back again. Okay, now I don't want all of that blue, so we just come over here, and the background is going to be black. And we want yellow text here to grow your business. Over here. And there's the yellow. Okay, so let me flick back again. Yep, we've copied that. So now we've got an element here that has a picture on the left and text on the right and a button. So let's go and look for that. So we come back to our elements and we go to images. These are all our different image elements. Here we go, picture on the left and button on the right. Just drag and drop. Now I want to go and grab my image. So all I have to do that is just click on it, select the image, and it is called the ebook cover mock-up. There we go. And click on apply. Lots of other things that we can do here with the images, but that's not what today's training is about. You can learn all about how to link it off to different pages or create a payment link out of it and so on in other videos. So we click apply changes. It's done. There it is. Now let's have a look at our text. We want this as the heading. Okay, we want that down a bit. And we want that to be bold. Okay, now our next bit. Just cutting and pasting our text. Now we want that to be bigger. Make that large. We want this to be a bit bigger than that. Larger, that's better. Okay, now we had that bold and underline. Control B, and let's go and underline it. Okay, let's go and check our text again. Yes. So yes, I'd love a copy, thanks. So now we come over here to the button. Oops, we've got to get rid of this. Okay, come to our button, click on that. What text did we have? Yes, I'd love a copy, thanks. So we go over here to the text. Yes. Okay, so we've done that. Now where we're going to link that page to? We have to put somewhere for the time being, but we're going to put that to the shopping cart in a moment. So I'll just put home on there. Now here we're going to do the target. That's, if you click on that, what's going to happen? Is it going to appear, the new page appear here, or is a new tab going to open? So I want it to appear here, so that will be in self. Okay, other things we can do here with the button, make it a payment, we can change the style and so on. So let's change the style, but first off we had to click apply. Now see how this blue is a different blue to this one. So I use a color picker, which is here, and hover my mouse, then I'll just go and grab that color. Come over here to my button, go to style, background color, Control V, apply, bam! Now I've just changed my colors. So now this button is going to match the blue on there. Now I want to change the icon here. Instead of being a person, I want to have a download. So we can go over here to the icons, type in download, and which download do I want? I want to use that one. Click on apply. Okay, or if you don't want to have an icon on there, you can just remove the icon. Okay, so we're looking pretty good so far. Now let's have a look what's next. Is the table of contents. So that's a text block that we've got there. So we come over here to our elements again. We go to text. Here it is, drag it and drop it. Doesn't get much easier than that, does it? Come over here, grab it. So we've got table of contents. I want that bigger, so let's go large, huge, okay, that's better. Come and grab all of this content. Okay, now let's correct the layout of that. We want to left justify it and we want it bigger. Okay, that's better. And we've got some bold to do here. Control B, Control B. Such an easy text editor. So really building a website's just like using a Word doc. Okay, so that's all done. Now what else have we got? We've got a footer down here as well. So let's go to the footer. Come back to our elements. Down the bottom is our footers. So we look at what footers we have here. All sorts of different footers. You can change the colors of all these. Totally adjust them. Here it is. Drag it, drop it. There's the footer. Now, great thing here is that it's already got a disclaimer, terms of use, and privacy policy already built in there. But you can just go and change the text of that. To change any of that text, each of these are an individual page. So we come over here to pages, and there it is. Look, disclaimer. So let's go disclaimer. And there's a disclaimer in here already. So you can go and just change the text in here to suit your business. There's the privacy policy and there's the terms. So now let's go back home. And we come down here and I want to change this. And I want to change that text to, what should we call that? Funnel process. We can link that page to somewhere. I'm just going to link it to home for now, but you can link that off. That could be your business name there and go and link it off to another web page if you wish to do that. So you just enter that link in here, choose the target. Do you want it to come back here or do you want to open a new tab? So let's go new tab. Click apply changes. Okay, there we go. Funnel process down the bottom here. So you can change that to whatever you want to do there. The same with all of this text down here. Let's change this now to 2022. Okay, we're looking pretty good here. So let's save it. Now let's see what it looks like. We go to preview. It's uploading it to the net so we can preview that. There we go. Okay, I want this to come down a little bit more. All the rest all looks pretty good. And then you can check and see what it looks like on a tablet and what it looks like on a mobile phone as well. So come back here, take that down a bit more, save it, preview. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So now we've created our front page of our lead capture program. So let me get rid of that. So now what we need to do is we go and create the actual sales funnel itself. So now we've got our web page done, we go to create a sales funnel. So make sure we've saved it. Then we come over here to the left-hand side and go to funnels. Okay, we've already got a 7-step funnel process already there. So let's go and create a new one. And I'm going to call this demo. Okay, now enter the sales funnel share code. Now that's if you're sharing your sales funnels with your team. That's one of the unique things with EzyMarketer is that every web page you create and every sales funnel you create, it generates a share code that you can share to your team members that all have EzyMarketer. But I'm not going into any depth on that today. So we just leave that blank. Now it's fully integrated with our contact manager. So you can create a new contact list straight from here. You don't have to go into contact manager over here on the left. You can do it straight from here. Create a new contact list or use an existing contact list. Well, I'm going to use an existing one, and then you can select whichever list that you want to do here. So I'm going to just go and do funnels. So I'm putting everything to do with my funnels into a funnel contact list. Now I'm going to create a tag here. And the reason why we create a tag is then if you want to do future follow-up emails to any of your clients, you can email to the contact list, but only the people that are tagged by different products. So I'm going to call this one here is funnel test demo tab. So now it's just created a tag. So I'm going to save that now. Okay, so that's created our funnel. Now, next thing we need to do over here now is click on the plus button. We're going to create each step of the funnel. Now, we're going to enter the page name. So I'm going to call this one Lead Capture Homepage Demo. This is a product name. Now, the product name is what will appear on the customer's checkout page. So you usually name that the product. So I'm calling this the 7-step sales funnel process ebook. Okay. Now we come over here, the product amount, and you don't use the dollar symbol. So if you wanted to sell something for $97, you simply put 97, and that's going to pick up all your PayPal details that you've already got in the back office here. So I'm not going into showing you how to do that today, all right, but it's all synchronized, all in here together. So you don't have to go and create payment buttons or anything. The whole ecosystem does it for you. Now this is free. So we go 0.00 to be able to give a free product. Now we're going to enter the upsell page. So after they go and want to purchase your product or get the free product from you, you then want them to go to the next page of the sales funnel. Well, I'm not actually building out a whole sales funnel here. All I want to do is have the lead capture to be able to grab the details of the people who want this free ebook. So what I can do is I can get the thank you page URL. Now I do that by coming back over here and do that by coming into Web Builder, and I'll do that in a moment. What I've actually done is I've just put into a doc. Let me grab that. I'm going to redirect it across to our funnel product, our done for you funnel. So you can redirect it to go to a thank you page or anywhere else. I'll show you in a moment when we go back to Web Builder where to get the thank you page URL from. Now support email, I'm just going to put info for here, and the download link. Now the download link is where have you put your ebook for your customer to be able to download it. Have you put it on your Google Drive? Have you put it on Amazon? Or where have you put that? So I'm going to enter my Amazon link in here and click on save. So there's the download link for that PDF that I've already uploaded to my Amazon account. So now I just click on save. Okay, now what I want to grab from here is the cart page link. That's all I need from here because we've got the download link already put in here. And the thank you page, I've already put the URL to that in there, and the system is going to link all of this together. So I'm just going to grab the cart page link. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm just pasting it into a doc. So now I come back to my website builder. So we've built the funnel there. If you've got different steps through the funnel going along to all different products and so on, right, then it'll list all the rest of them underneath here as you go through that process, but that's in another video. So let's go back here to our websites. Come in here. Now we go to our button where they go to subscribe is here. Now link page with. If you remember correctly before, I said I just linked it for home just for now to be able to create this page. So now I'm going to enter the link, which is the shopping cart page link. So I cut that out of the funnel builder, and now I'm just pasting it in there, and I'll click on apply. And we'll test all this in a moment so you can see how it works and it all synchronizes together. No having to create payment buttons, no having to link it all into your PayPal or anything like that. It's all done automatically for you. So that's actually done now. So our next step is that we're going to upload it. So we're going to save it first, come back to our website, and we're going to upload it. Now, the great thing, or one of the great things I should say, or another great thing about our Ezy ecosystem is with our web builder, you don't have to worry about a control panel or C panel as some people call it. You don't have to do FTP, so there's nothing about learning FTP programs, file protocols. You don't have to learn about FileZillas or any of those things, because everything is integrated. All we do is click on the upload button, and then you select which domain that you have. So I'm doing this on my EzyMarketer domain. So you can build funnels and websites for every single domain that you have hosted in our system. So you can see then I've got a lot of them in there, but I'm going to use EzyMarketer, and I'm going to call this 7-step demo. So I'll click on upload. Take a moment here, because what it's doing is it's uploading everything to your control panel of your website and making it live on the internet for you, all without having to go into a control panel. So there we go, it's done. So let's go and click on this. There's our URL, ezymarketer.com/7-step demo, and here it is. Okay, so let's now go and test it. I'm going to create a temporary email address here. So I'm going to use this one. Just grabbing that email address for now. And we come back to the web page. And this is a new sign up. If you're an existing client, right, and you wanted to go and download this, you would use I'm an existing hub user. So you're already an existing client here. This is a new one, so this is going to be called test customer. And that email address I just used was there. And this customer lives in Afghanistan. And a username, I'm just putting test. Okay, can't use that, so let me just testing. Okay, Fred Smith. Oh, sorry, Fred, and what have we got here? Oh, password. Okay, so let me put a password in here. I'm going to go A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, $, percentage. Let me just write that down in my doc. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, $, percentage. I'll just put that in again just to make sure I do that correctly. Next. Okay, so now there's the actual cart page. So remember before I said that the customer is going to see this name. So that's why we put a name applicable to the product on there, and it's free. In the funnel, you can go and build discount coupons as well. So if you had a product priced at whatever you wanted there and you wanted to give some customers or family or friends a discount and so on there, well then you can create a coupon and put that in there. They go and apply the coupon and it discounts the price down for them. They agree to the terms and conditions and proceed to checkout. So now it goes and it will then go to their PayPal page and process the PayPal payment if you had a paid product in there. Now that's the thank you page that I've had it come through to, which is actually a sales page. So this is a sales page for our Easy Funnels, our done for you funnel service. So now let's come back over here and I'm going to log out. Now let's go and test this. So here's the login for EzyMarketer. So the username is Fred. And let me grab that password. Okay, so here's Fred's account, and Fred will receive a welcome email. So let's come over to the email address. There it is, thanking them for their order here. And we can see here, there's the URL, there's the username, and there's their password to be able to go and pick up the product. So we come over here and it tells them that we go up here to our purchases. So go to my purchases, and there we go. There's the ebook. If they want to download it, click on here. There we go. It's in our Amazon account. Taking a bit to open this. There it is. They can go and click up here to go and download the ebook. So that's password protected for them in here. And if they want an invoice, so if that was a paid product, they would go and click on here, and that would open up the invoice, and they can go and download that invoice. And so it's got an invoicing system and everything all inbuilt, billing system and everything in there. So now let's go and have a look and see if I can see the customer in my EzyMarketer account. Okay, I've logged back into my account. We can see up here, Rob W is my account, and I'm going to come over here to EzyMarketer, and I'm going to go to my contacts, and I'm going to go to my contact lists, and I'm going to go down to my funnels and check on the right hand side, and there it is. There's our new customer that we just acquired is now in my contact list, which is lead capture test at Yopmail. So that, guys, shows you how quick and easy it is to create a lead capture system where you can have free products, you can have paid products. That's all synchronized to your PayPal account that you've already put into our system. And then, so then there's no buttons to payment buttons to create or anything like that. It's a whole ecosystem all in one. Now, one more very important thing that I want to mention here to you is that we have a full-on affiliate system. So let's go back into that test account and I'll show you how that works. So I'll log in again as Fred. I'm in Fred's account. If you come up the top and you go to affiliate, you can see here there are all your affiliate links for all of our Ezy products. Now, when a customer just come in and picked up that free ebook from you, if they see our other products on the left hand side here, so let's say they see educate and they come over here to educate, and there's our splash page. They can click learn more to go to the website, or they can buy it now. If they buy any of our products, that customer is tagged to you, and they're tagged to you for life. No matter what they buy from us, you will receive a whopping 35% commission. So not only have you got just now built a lead generation system for yourself, but when your customers come into EzyMarketer to come up the top here to download their product, so they come to their purchases, should they buy EzyMarketer or any of our Ezy products, you are going to get paid an ongoing commission. So that'll be 35% of any monthly fees, 35% of any yearly fees, or 35% of any lifetime purchases that they make. It's our way of being able to pay back to you guys for helping us to be able to build our business. Because our philosophy is the more we all help each other, the more we all thrive. One of the other things that EzyMarketer does for you is that it will send you an email every time you make a sale. So as we can see here, here is our test customer, and the product was free. Okay, so if it was paid, you'd also receive an email from PayPal advising you that you received some money as well. So you know every time that somebody has bought a product from you, whether they're paid for it or whether it's a free product. So not only does it capture their details in the contact manager, it will also email you a notification to let you know that you've made a new sale or got a new prospect or a new opt-in to any of your opt-in lists and so on. So that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed that, and you can see now how quick and easy it is to create a lead capture system using EzyMarketer.